Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Tarot Storytelling with Sapna. आज 11th of August है एंड मेरे 3 पेंडिंग zodiac signs ना वीकली प्रेडिक्शन पेंडिंग है फॉर फ्रॉम 12th to the 16th of August. ओके, सो ये वाला जो वीकली प्रेडिक्शन है दिस इज़ फॉर Capricorn. Welcome Capricorn. Okay, and next week के transit है on the 16th of August, major transit which is sun moving to Leo. और दूसरा जो इवेंट है वो है आपका 12th of August. मरकरी कम्बस्ट हो जाएंगे लियो में विच मीन्स बुध अस्त हो जाएंगे लियो में. ओके, एंड वन मोर इवेंट दैट इज़ 15th of August, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे. एंड थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंडेड वीकेंड आ रहा है. 15th बीइंग Thursday if I'm not wrong, and 16th is Friday, 17th 18th and 19th is Monday. So जो लोग extended weekend में है, happy independence day and रक्षाबंधन which is on the 19th. Okay, so it's a 3 card spread and पहला कार्ड होगा आपकी फीलिंग्स, दूसरा कार्ड होगा एनी काइंड ऑफ challenges, and third card would be any kind of that will be the final overview. And मैं एक कार्ड निकालूंगी समरी और बॉटम ऑफ द डेक देखेंगे. ओके, सो welcome Capricorn, all the best, stay positive. Let's see आपका पहला कार्ड 12th to the 16th, 12th to the 16th. ओके, पहला कार्ड आपके खुद के फीलिंग्स. जजमेंट, मेजर आर्काना कार्ड. Second, any kind of challenges. 7 of Wands, minor arcana card. Overall, the World, very good card. Major arcana. In fact, ये आपका सजेशन है, which is a world card. Page of Pentacles. This is an overall summary of the card. Okay, and bottom of the deck, let's see, High Priestess. Okay, let's start. Judgment. Judgment is a major arcana card. और मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ major arcana card is always symbolizes the event, the characteristics of the person, of the zodiac. Okay, so आपके इसमें 3 major arcana हैं और 2 आपके minor arcana cards हैं. So let's read it. Judgment. So अगर reading on this card which is for the 12th to 16th, अगर मैं देखूँ, this card talks about when your past and future comes together. So कुछ ऐसे एक्टिविटीज़ या कुछ ऐसे एक्शंस रहे होंगे इन दी पास्ट दैट यू माइट हैव टू रिव्यू. एक होता है ना, देखना होता है. और अभी फ़िलहाल तो शनि महाराज रेट्रोग्रेड भी है. सो जजमेंट इज़ इक्वल टू शनि महाराज. और आपके तो राशि लॉर्ड भी हैं, साइन लॉर्ड भी हैं शनि महाराज, सैटर्न. So it talks about review your past decisions that you have taken. whether they are in a line to what you want. So it's a path. So it's never too late to think about and reassess your past and put a stepping stone toward the future. So next week 12th और 16th आपको ये देखना होगा कि आपको रिव्यू करना होगा what all decisions, what all activities, what all actions that you have taken in the past that may have an impact to the future. तो उसको रिव्यू कीजिए, उसको एसेस कीजिए, and that is for the next week 12th और 16th आपको एसेस करना होगा, and then because it's never too late, and then put a stepping stone towards the future. Second card, it is Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands is a minor arcana card. Okay, now Wands is what? It's an element of fire, which is, it talks about the movement. Okay, now it is Seven of Wands, which says stay true to yourself, stay true to your principles. You must be हो सकता है नेक्स्ट वीक में आप ऐसे सिचुएशन डिफ़िकल्ट स्पॉट पे हो और आपको एक अलग आउटलुक देना होगा, देखना होगा. ओके, so that's what it says. You have to review your past, what all actions and anything that have been taken. Take appropriate steps. See, the person is taking a step ahead. Okay, so you might be in a situation next week that you have to think, assess, and then take a step. Okay. Suggestions: Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Sorry, it's a Page of Pentacles. Okay, so page is what? It's a young blood, young person. Objective. Think about the objective. Don't think about the जो हुआ पास्ट में वो आप एसेस करोगे, बट इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं आप भूल जाओगे. ठीक है, इसको एसेस करने के लिए बोला है. व्हेन आई से दैट डोंट थिंक अबाउट द पास्ट, it is literally does not mean कि don't think about the past. You have to review your past. Okay, but you have to take steps to get an objective. Yeah, the goal. Your goal is money. Think about that. Ace of Pentacles. So next week आप ऐसे सिचुएशन में हो सकते हैं जहाँ पर आपको पास्ट को रिव्यू करना होगा. You have to think about the steps and the objective. What is it and end result? What exactly is my end result? ठीक है, end result is your Pentacles. Now, overall summary for the week. It's the World card. Amazing card. Amazing card. वर्ल्ड का मतलब है कंप्लीशन. सो अगर मैं सजेशन और है ना, दिस वाज अ सजेशन, द वर्ल्ड कार्ड वाज अ सजेशन एंड दिस वाज द ओवरऑल समरी. सो अगर मैं इन दोनों को कंबाइन करूँ, इट सेज इट्स अ कंप्लीशन, फुलफिलमेंट ना. यू अंडरस्टैंड द एंटायर सिचुएशन, यू वॉट एवर यू हैव वेंट थ्रू, जो भी आप चीज़ों से गए हैं, you are really into your next phase of life or your journey, I would say. World is all about journey, traveling, okay, moving on. So if I put all together all the cards, think about your past actions, activities that you must have taken. Okay, उनको assess करो, review करो, उनके ऊपर steps लीजिए, जो भी relevant steps हैं आप लीजिए, with the focus on moving on, and you will definitely get your objective, which is your money. Okay, think, reassess, review your past actions, take steps. You have to move on. You might have to move on or travel, not physical travel actually. It can be, it cannot be, but move on, and your objective is your goal, is your money, Pentacles. So next week Capricorn, I see it's a good week. It's a good week for you. So definitely think about it and take the actions. High Priestess, bottom of the deck. See, it's a major arcana. See, there is a lady, controlled female, sitting with a very peaceful posture. Okay, now it also says that Priestess is what? It's a reminder that there's something which is unique and gift which is in store in the universe. Okay, so it's a reminder. It's a reminder that whatever you have holded yourself, everything that you did, now it's a time. Go ahead, move forward, and you will be able to accomplish whatever you have set. Just actually, it's going all together with all the cards if you correlate. Judgment, assess the step, take these steps, assess your actions, take your steps. You will get whatever you want. Move on. Your objectives is your pentacles, and be calm, patient. You will achieve it. Hold on, you will achieve it. Okay, very good cards, Capricorn. I really love reading. So I hope Capricorn you ना अगर आप इसको आप resonate करते हैं, so please do like and subscribe my channel. My description is mentioned below. For any kind of paid consultation, it's mentioned below. Happy weekend, happy Sunday, and all the best for your next week, Capricorn, 12th to the 16th. Keep watching. Thank you.